The sunnah is to slaughter one. Now, if someone says, I'd like to include my parents in the udhiyah, so I'm slaughtering 2 more rams for my father and mother who are deceased, we say that this is not from the sunnah. Include them in your own sacrifice with your family. So 1 sheep does it, or 1 goat does it. He says, no, but I have a lot of money, I'd like to do this. The sky's the limit. Go ahead, no problem. But to think that it is mandatory or it's highly recommended, the answer is no, it is not. The Prophet only did 1 for himself and his family, and 1 for his whole ummah. Those who are unable to slaughter will have their share, inshaAllah Azza wa Jal. But it is wrong to go all the way in saying that this is prohibited. No, this is halal. What is prohibited and an innovation is to slaughter something specifically for the Prophet ﷺ. This is totally prohibited. None of the companions had ever done this, nor the tabi'een or tabi'it tabi'een. And this is foolish, because anything that you do among the good deeds, the Prophet will be automatically accredited for it, insha'Allah.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون